Your first board game shouldn't start a fight. CATAN does. Trading, blocking, the robber, up to 2 hours of arguments. Splendor is calmer but silent. You just stack chips and barely look up. Pandemic flips it. Everyone plays on the same team against the board, 45 minutes, 2 to 4 players, and beating it together feels amazing. It's the beginner game that ends the night as friends. Only one earns shelf space. Pandemic. Shelf score, 8 out of 10. That's why your first board game shouldn't start a fight.